are concerned, I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay, so during your PhD time, you have to create, I will say, a lot of reports, a lot of articles if you are planning to publish. Okay, plus you do have 1, 2, 3. You can say that presentations during your twice a semester or twice a year. Okay, so the latex will help you particularly if you are start using the latex. This is more or less very similar to the Word, however with extra facility which the Word is unable to provide particularly. Okay, so it's not only a text, or you can say that it's not only a word processing, but it is much more than that. If you use it properly, then you can make it out of much more thing. So I have used during my PhD time at IIT Bombay. Okay, so by the way, so I'm Dr. Chandrakant Sonone. Okay, I'm from mechanical department. Done PhD from IIT Bombay in aerospace. So usually I worked in a computational fluid dynamics. So where we try to do something, a lot of simulation and things by using either coding, or as well as we are also using software you come across called as ANSYS. Okay. So during our work, even I recommend my student to use the latex, but it's up to them whether you want to use really in an effective manner, or same I will tell you, if you want to use in a really effective manner, so it is really going to save your time by, I will say, 6 months. Okay. Otherwise, you will end up with just preparing a report, and you will take 6 months, 8 months. Okay, likewise. So choose wisely, and let's see. Okay. So I hope when you try to have a documentation, so during documentation we have a lot of things like we can have sectioning. We try to emphasize some sections. Then we do have a different kind of document style. We have the most critical stuff, what I say, is the referencing. Okay, referencing style, and referencing number, and likewise. Apart from this, you also concerned with the lot of what you call as the visual aspects of your report, like font and spacing and text size, and likewise. Okay, all these things have been fixed as far as our SIU is concerned, and they already been provided by to you. So we try to use all these things in a smart way. Okay, so how smart way, that we will define. So say for example, we try to use the what you call as latex. Okay, and if you can see that there is some commands, and there are some what you call as rules to write a particular latex report. So either as far as output is concerned, you may directly have the file, usually .tex. Okay, so whatever file you are going to create that has a file .tex
Sir,
as an extension. Yes.
can you please zoom this screen?
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you may have the particularly the file name called .tex. So for latex, this is just like your MS Word and all those things. We have .docx. So we have here .tex as an extension file. Okay, that tex is being processed into number of variety files. You may also have .dvi. Okay, document independent particularly, or you may directly have the portable document .pdf. So that can be directly bit. It cannot get very. Just like if you have come across a very crude experience, you create a Word report in your computer and go to the printer at a, say in some shop, and there when you open a file, so all things get distorted. Okay, even two words they get you can say that connected to each other. Your formatting gets disturbed. Okay, everything is get disturbed. So that kind of experience usually happens when you try to have the MS Word. However, that is not going to happen when you use the .text. Preferably, we directly have the PDF file. Okay, I will recommend instead of going for DVI. Okay, you can directly have the .pdf file of your report, and anywhere you take a PDF, so that is not going to be changed. Okay, so that is what I want to say. You can directly have that PDF text to directly PDF particularly. Okay, advantages. As I already told you few advantages. So it basically concentrate on the content. Okay, before it going to be appear. Then writing mathematical formula is very easy. The way you speak, the formula, the way you write. Okay, so we'll demonstrate all those things. Then mostly it is freely available. MS Word is not freely available. Okay, most of you have using pirated copies. So even nowadays, I think 365 is free. Okay, but still the latex is completely free. Okay, and you can directly use it. The output particularly you can directly convert the one form of output into another form. Say for example, you can directly convert the book which has a chapter and likewise sections and all those things into article, which is a prime requirement during our PhD. We do have to convert our report into chapters and all those things. And while writing papers, we need to convert those things into the what you call as in the form of article. Okay. Along with that, we do have a number of tools available which will really help you out, including animation. Okay. Then including flowcharts. All these kind things are been possible directly. One more problem I think you have noticed during your Word file that most of the letters get overlapped. Okay, like this when you copy paste something from PDF to your MS Word like this FI or FFI, so that eats the letters. Okay, those things are not going to be. So latex has a benefit that anything you copy paste, so effectively it get everything is get reflected there. Okay, although I will not recommend you should copy paste anywhere because anyway our plagiarism norms are very strict. They are asking you to go below 10%. Okay, so there is no point copy paste particular stuff. Okay, so what to download? This slide I think I have already mailed you yesterday. So we need a software called Miktex. Okay, Miktex is a MS Word version of LaTeX. Okay, LaTeX is the original software which has been developed in that Linux platform, and is MS sorry, its Windows version is known as Miktex. Okay, so I have already shared the file to you. I don't know why it is not downloaded with you, but I am sure it will work because it worked for me, so it should work for you. Okay, and it is .exe file. It's a binary file, so nothing is going to be tampered with that .exe file. So maybe you check your internet speed. Hopefully, you are able to download. Okay, and once you download, double click it. Just say yes, yes, yes. Okay, very regular, typical window installation of anything. You may also have some. Okay, this is a main software. It comes with what you call as WinEdit. Okay, editor particularly. Please remember that we are very similarly, just like you have some C program. So to write a C program, what we do, we need some editor. So we write some C program and then we edit it somewhere. Okay. So compile and all those things, we need to do it. So right now this is the documentation kind of programming. So you also use this VidEdit, which will come with the MikTeX, or you also go, there is one more that called VI. Okay. Or there is one more what is called as TextPoint, but I will prefer to have a TextMaker. Okay, TextMaker. Why TextMaker? I will show you why TextMaker. Okay. So we'll start with the LaTeX things. Okay, most of time I will switch from the PPT to the what you call as the LaTeX file, so that what we are generating. So hopefully you should able to also generate particularly. If you can download my PPT right now, so that will help you to either type or copy paste, whatever is feasible to. If you are in the class, I will recommend to type it. But anyway, even if you copy paste right now, so we can gain some speed. What we I think 15-20 minutes I have already lost, so that can be recovered. Okay, so how to start with the LaTeX? Okay, LaTeX is basically you can say that documentation programming, and each command start with you can see that each command will start with the \. Okay, so if you want to write some command, you will use the \. So what kind of commands we need to give, that we'll see. Plus any parameters you want to give that are being used in a curly brace. Okay. So for example, here I have given one example. So I am typing here /. So I am writing some command. So begin. Okay, I am trying to say that begin, and I am trying to give some parameters like environment type. Okay, and whatever your environment is there, that is going to be environmental content. You are going to between the begin and end. Okay, how to start a particular document? So here is a first command. We have a document class. Okay, so at the start of any document, you need one command called as document class. Okay, document class will tell the LaTeX software that what kind of report or what kind of things you are going to prepare. Are you interested to make a book? Are you interested to make a report? Are you interested to make article, or you are making some PPT? Okay, so those kind of things is being communicated to the LaTeX by this command. Okay, so right now I will just okay, LaTeX practice. So if you can go to the your TextMaker. Okay, you can open a TextMaker side by side. Those who have already installed the software, they can open the software. Is my TextMaker is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
I
sir.
will do some.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so to view the things. Okay. Editor. Okay, so in this editor, you can see that it's very similar to the very what you call as the C editor. Okay, we have some file, edit tool, LaTeX, maths. Okay, so either you can go to file and you can say new, or there is a button available called new. Okay, so whatever the way you prefer, so I can go to create a new. say, so I have created one blank document, which is right now untitled. Okay. So the first line of any document should be, okay, you can see that it has all inbuilt command. So I am using a latex. So the first command is a document class. Okay, so right now I will not. Okay, I will remove this thing. So what you want to create? Tell me first. Report?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll create a report. You can create an article. So you should know what report means. You should know what means. You should know what big book means. Okay. What is the main difference between the book and the article? Anyone?
Book has chapters, article has sections.
Yeah. Okay. So book has chapters. Article don't have. Okay. So these are some minor difference. So whatever the things you want to create, so those things are need to be communicated to the LaTeX software properly. Okay. So the first command I have already given. So I am interested to create, okay, a report. Next, I'm going to have begin document and, okay, end document. So it is again available in LaTeX. So anything you are going to write, we are going to write in between these two commands, begin document, end document. Is that okay? So you can
Yes,
say that.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to write? This is my first report. Okay. So you can save this file. File, save. So you can choose the location, particularly desktop, LaTeX practice. Okay. So I already used the test. First dot, it should be dot tex. Okay. So give some name and it should have an extension dot tex. Save. Okay. Now the same name is appearing here. Is my font visible properly? Should I increase it?
Yes, sir.
It's better if you zoom it.
I am using a laptop, so I don't know. It will not get zoom. It's an editor. You cannot zoom it.
sir, it's visible even on the phone.
Sorry.
It's visible even on the phone. You can carry on.
So I think right now I am using my laptop, so it is a full zoom from my point of view. Okay. So those who are typing, so I have created one document. Then that document I have already talked. I am going to create a report, and I have given two commands: begin document, end document, and between these two document, this command I am typing something which I want in that particular report. Okay. So how to run it? So here is the options available. You can see that. Okay, lot of options are available. As I told you, you can run it through number of things. So I can use LaTeX, DVIPS, PDF LaTeX, BibTeX, likewise. Out of this, we are going to use PDF LaTeX. Okay. So you can switch over the option to the PDF LaTeX. And then you can click this run. Okay, now it is running, processing. Please remember that try to do twice. Why twice? Because first instant it will go and read what things here you want to create. So now you are saying you have to create report. So it will create a report first, and then in the second time when I ask it to run, so it will include all this, the text what I have been included. So you can have, and then you can go to the view PDF. So you can say view. Okay. This is what I got it here. If you want to see in that what happened to the, okay, so you can see that there are number of files are being created. So this is a .text file. This text file has created 4 more extra files. One is the auxiliary file, okay, which supports these things. One is a text document which contains the binary information about the your text document, all those things. Okay. Then second information, you have something. Okay. So all data has been compressed here. And one is a PDF file. So whatever the name of that your text file, same name is of your PDF file. Okay. This is my first report. Can you create a report ASAP? Those who are, is anyone doing along with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I got log file not found.
Log file not found. You have not installed the particularly MidTech.
I have.
Have you installed the MidTech?
Okay, I'll check it, sir.
Please remember that this text maker is an editor. It is not the LaTeX software. Okay. So please, that's why I have given you the 2 different files. One is the editor file, and another one is that the main LaTeX MidTech file. Okay, anyone can share the PDF file? If you got a PDF file, please share. Anyone got PDF file? Say yes or no at least.
Yes, sir.
So I want to see 1-2 sample file. If someone is generating, show me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can share your PDF file, no problem.
So this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is by Amrish Kulkarni.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So PDF file, I am not able to see your PDF file.
So this one.
Oh, very good. Sure. Oh, very good. Okay. Anyone else? Yeah. Yeah. Amrish sir, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? You can stop sharing, Amrish sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else?
I have sent, sir, on the chat box.
Chat. Don't send me in the chat box. Okay, no problem.
Okay, I will share.
Yes. You can show me 1 or 2 so that it will be comfortable for me that at least not all you guys are at least doing. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Prajakta Jadhav, ma'am. Thank you. You can de-share, ma'am. Okay. Anyone else? Soham. Okay. Very good. Soham. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope you guys are getting what has been happening. Okay. So please share. Okay, thank you. Sure.
Yes.
Because unless you don't show me the files, it will be very difficult for me to say at least realize कि भाई, are you really getting the things what I am communicating to you or not? ठीक है? So we go back to the PPT again. Sure. Okay, so we create a document.
Hello, sir.
You can mute yourself if you don't need the mic.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
yeah.
Yeah, Ashwin here. Basically, I did that, the steps.
Okay.
Okay. But I am not able to get the PDF files. Maybe I took some wrong step. So can I just show my screen?
Yeah, chalo, show me.
Yeah, just a minute, sir.
You can run the file. What error you are getting? Log file not there. Na? So have you installed the MidTech? This error you'll get if you don't have a LaTeX software installed or not installed properly. Are you getting me, Ashwin sir? I think your LaTeX software is not been properly installed.
Sir, can I share my?
That's why it is getting a. It is not creating a log file. Means what file it is not creating? You can see that these are 4 different files which need to be get created.
Okay.
I think my screen is not visible to you. Let me share my screen. Okay.
We are continuously trying to download, but it is not.
Sir, can I share my screen?
No, just let me show you my screen.
I'm getting two different slides.
No, just let me show you my screen. I think my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So it need to create all these at least 3 files, not PDF, but at least these 3 files need to be get created. One is been what you called as the aux file, then the text file, and one is a compressed file. CZ. We got all these 3 files in your that folder. Just check.
No, sir, I didn't get. I just get the.
It means that your LaTeX software is not installed.
So
Properly.
my question is the initial first software that is
Yeah, go on.
MikTeX, that is prerequisite for this text maker.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying MidTech is the original LaTeX software.
Okay.
Original means it is a software. Okay, and that text maker is an editor.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, please install that MidTech so you will not get this error.
Okay, okay.
We
Yes,
are
sir. Got
trying
it. Got it.
continuously, but it is not getting downloaded. I think I am trying last from 1 hour, but it halfway it goes and then it stops.
Yeah, who's speaking, ma'am?
Sampada Tause.
Okay, so what is the problem?
Sir,
Can you share
it starts
your
down.
screen?
Yes,
Share your screen.
yes, I can share. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
share.
I will.
Please share. Are you sharing, ma'am? Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. I have shared my screen. Can you see it?
No. No, we are not able to see.
Sir, just a minute.
Is anyone able to see?
Sir, this is my
No,
screen.
sir.
If
No, no. It's
No,
not
sir.
visible, ma'am.
okay, okay, sir. Then I don't know what is happening.
Okay, we can do one thing. You may try again the steps. Okay, maybe in the evening.
Sir. Yes.
Okay, now
Hello,
it's
Sir,
sir.
can you
Hello, sir.
see my screen now?
okay.
Is it visible?
No,
sir?
ma'am. No,
No,
ma'am.
not
It is
visible.
Oh,
Not visible.
not visible.
okay. Okay.
Now it's visible, I think.
Yeah, it's visible now.
Yeah. So
It's your email things are visible.
on left hand, yes, left hand side corner, you can see basic Mictex network error, network failed error. So many times I have tried this and it is in between stopping like this.
But I have given that whole software on the team, na.
Yeah. So from team only I am trying to download, sir.
Acha, okay, so I can do one more thing. I can ask Tripathi sir, from our net admin.
Okay.
So he may share you the
Okay.
LaTeX software which is available with us in our college.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Is that okay?
Sir. With the editor there, yes, sir. The editor
Yes, yes.
got no
With
problem.
editor,
This,
and there are one more software called JabRef. Okay.
okay.
So you can use JabRef, or if you are going to use the other software, so that I will ask Tripathi sir to provide to you.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you.
So right now, can I continue?
Sir, one question.
Yes.
Yeah, basically, like you said, I downloaded from Team this software. Okay, and I will show the my screen one more time.
Is it running at your location?
Uh, I have some issue with that too. I will show that. Let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, yeah.
So basically, I download this from the team where you stored, and size is almost 38 MB. Okay.
No, size is much more than that. I hope so.
Okay, but this much is downloaded, sir. When I took it from team, and because of that, it's showing some error.
Size is, you can see that size.
Here, size is like I said, 37 MB.
So no, you can see. Wait. Let me share my screen. You
Okay.
can stop share your screen.
Oh yeah, sir. Just a minute. You can take a control, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so it has a 240060 KB.
It's more than means it's around 240.
240 MB.
Yeah, it's much bigger, sir. So maybe I
Yeah.
think it's
So
not
the
fully
problem is that in your case it is not downloaded completely.
or maybe it's not fully uploaded at the location. Maybe I don't know.
I don't know because and the text maker is 64 MB.
Sir,
That is fine, sir.
sir, exe is full. I have checked it. I have downloaded that mic text. There is no problem, but right now it is asking for update.
Asking for
Updates.
Hmm.
Update, sir.
Update. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can say letter, na?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basically, so in my case, this second file, TextMaker, is completely downloaded, but the top one, I think there is some issue with the downloading. It's not completely downloaded, 240 MB.
That's why I'm saying, is it raining at your location?
No, that's what. Like it's whatever like download this only. Yeah, I don't know. It's a system issue or maybe it's not completely updated on the team.
Okay, I will do one more thing. I will again upload at the end of lecture. Again, I will upload.
Okay.
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 So
Sir, I think it's a
at
network
because
issue
at
because of raining.
ha because of raining,
It is because of the
even
network.
even the internet at my location is went off. Now I am using mobile network,
Okay.
which also I don't know how much it will sustain. Okay, it's raining heavily at my location.
Yes, sir.
1 minute only. Okay, so should I go ahead? Let's have this thing. Okay, that's why the lab is
Yes, sir.
required most of cases. Okay. So once you have this simple document, okay, so it will try to specify the document type. As I told you, you may have a report, book, article, letter, or even okay, if you have something, some white letter or different kind of stuff, you can go and add it. The way you document, you try to give the class, it will format that way particularly. Okay, that's why it is very easy, because if you create a Word document, so every time you have to say that chapter and all those things that you need to remove. Okay, even if you say the give the equation number, so that equation number will be again chapter wise. But in a single command here, everything will be get formatted as per the document type. Okay, so anything you are going to type, it must be between the begin document, end document. Anything you write after and before this, it is not going to create or recognize. Okay, so this is what we created. New lines, वगैरह वगैरह. Okay. So commonly used symbol. Plus there are some rules along with that, which I'm going to tell you right now. Do not use the / for your regular text. Why? Because anything you use the / that will take as a command. Okay. So do not use anything along with the /. So / is only been used when you have a what you call as a command to be written. Now say for example here in the usual you can have these 3 dots, whereas I can have the command like long dots. Okay, / long dots. Text, okay, it will take like text. So apart from the / it don't have any problem. If you give dashed line, it will take as a okay, this one. So number of things, plus don't use curly brace for your any of the your report, because anything you are writing in the curly brace, that will take as a that what you call as parameters. Okay, so don't use curly brace, don't use / for your regular typing case. They should be only go with the commands and the parameters. Okay, so here is some example where they say that hello and all those things, up and down, emphasizing. Okay, just like you can say that he said, she is hello. So just Latin name and all those things, they do have this kind of name. Say, just check the word hello here. So they do have this kind of caps. Okay, this O having some caps. So usually or fortunately, Indian people don't have such names where these kind of things need to be put on against their name. Okay, but if you have, you can easily put it those things in the latex. In the word, it is very difficult. Okay, you can try writing this thing like hello. What is been written here? In case of word, you are not able to write this E something over E. Okay, so it's very tough to write in case of word. Okay, so here are the document class. We have an article. Article usually ideal for short papers, divided into sections, subsection, etc. Okay, typeset is basically the double-sided. It is going to print on double side article. Book class to be used for, we can have chapter sections, and the typeset is again a double-sided. But please remember that on the one page, when you have a book, when you have a say odd page, so the margin is more on the left hand side. Okay, on the or in the odd even pages, it is on the right hand side. Okay, so that the binding should be get proper. So that is not been available in case of your Word. Setting a different margins for odd and even things, that is not possible. Right now in the book, the latex, it is possible. Report, it is more or less almost identical to the book. Okay, but it is mostly a single side printed. Okay, don't have the what you called as odd even margins. You may also have other class like letters. So letters are usually they don't have sections. They don't have you can say that chapters. It's a straightforward pretty. You can just what you want to communicate directly you can have. Slides. This is nothing but a PPTs. Okay, you can directly create the PPTs from the things what is been available in your latex. Okay, so with latex, this is the first primary part which I have covered. Then to start with, for any document, these things are required. Okay, so what we required is a title, then an abstract, number of parts, I may say that chapter, subsection, and likewise, or again I can say that number of chapters in each parts, number of section in that chapter and the respective parts. We may have subsection, we may have subsections, we may have sub again subsections. Okay, so this is logical hierarchy of any document particularly. Now how to create all these things in particularly for your report. Okay, so let's start with the article. Okay, I am using the same document. So here I am changing a report to article. Okay, so I do have article. You can have the empty spaces. There is no problem. Absolutely okay. Okay. First thing what I required, what I want. Anyone can reply, please.
Title.
Title. So the command for title is
backslash title.
Okay. So the text editor will allow you. Okay, you can see that either you can go from that toolbox and select, or if you know a partially command, so you can think. So just you want to type slash ti, it will give me the options available. With T, nothing is there. Title. Okay, title CFD of heart. Okay. Process. PDF latex twice. Okay, this was my open, that's why not opening. Please close PDF and then process. Why it is not happening in my case? Title, then I can have the another is author. Author. Okay, then I have what else you want? If you have second author, ठीक है.
Date.
Okay, if you want that for today, let's today not taking. Let's me try. It's taking or not, I don't know. Okay. Okay. So I have created the things.
Sir, email ID.
Email ID, so that you can create it. Okay. So that whatever extra things are required, you can do it. Okay. Once I done this thing, I will ask him to make title. Okay. Commands are there. Once I done with my first page, then I will ask him to make the title. You can save it, and then you can run it. Okay, so even it's taking the command today. Email ID, you can add it. I don't know whether there is a email ID, it will take it or not, I don't know. Okay, you tell me. Do it fast.
It's not taking.
Sorry?
Sir, it's not taking today's date.
Slash date slash today.
No, we have to mention there the date itself, I think.
No, it's taking my case, na.
Okay.
10 October. The command is the slash today. Slash. It's not today only. It's the slash today. Blackslash today.
Yes, sir. It's taking now. Yes.
So if you something write today, say for example today, so it will only write today. I hope so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
है ना? So it will assume कि अच्छा. See. Now you want to write email. Slash email. I don't know. It will take or not. No, it's not taking. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
So more important, create title, write your name. You can have dates. If you want to add a symbol of our college, so that will show it to you. Yeah, great. Okay. So I hope I need to share again. Okay. Okay. Next thing, once I done the title, okay. Once I done the title, author, date, please do not forget to write make title. Unless you don't say make title, it will not create a title. Okay. Next is a abstract. So what through the command? For abstract, the command should be, okay, I have done make title. Then I will go with the begin. Abstract and abstract. Where is my page? First page is there. Okay. So abstract is there. This is my abstract. The article type is article. Okay. So that's why it is taking a abstract on your same page. When you write paper, we will not have a separate page for abstract. Okay, it is continuously one after another. Okay, if you want to go for report, this is what happened. Should I change the report? Let me close my PDF. When I go to PDF report, now you can see that in the report on the first page, I have a title, my name, date, and on the second page, I have a abstract. Okay, so that means I don't have to worry about changing from one page to another. Okay, I have simply write only one letter. I have simply changed the article to report, report to article. It simply means that if you are interested to write a paper, use same thing. Okay, everything what you have, just change the document class. And you are done with your what you call as either paper writing or report writing. Okay. So once you done the report, what is next? After abstract, what is next?
Introduction.
Sections. Introduction. Okay. So I want section. So I am continuing with the report only. If I have a report, so section. Okay. So there are two sections. You can see that. One command is with star, one command is without star. Tell me what happens. Do it ASAP and tell me what is happening with section and without section and with star, without star. Section intro.
So when we do without star, it's getting numbered, and when we use the star, it's not getting the number.
Yeah, correct. Now you can see that it is by default, it is saying 0 chapter, and for 0 chapter you have a first section 0.1. So better before starting a section, I should start with the chapter introduction. Okay, and then I can say in that section. Can you see that now? I don't have to worry about the number to the sections. I have to only worry about the main content. Okay, let's create more sections. I can have section, one more section. Methodology. Section. Objective. In that I can have a slash subsection. Main objectives slash subsection. Main objectives, and you can say that other objectives. Okay, then I will go to the other chapter slash chapter 2 chapter. Then I can say that mathematical. No, you can have a second chapter is a literature review mainly. Okay. Literature review. Here I have a, you can see that methodology. Then I can have objectives. Then I can have a main objectives. Then I can have a other objectives. Am I numbering to any of these things? No. Okay. I have not given number to any of these things. They automatically get numbered. Okay. This is happening because we are logically writing like this. What will happen if I change this objective? Yeah. I shifted, copy paste just. It is directly get shifted to. Now objective become 1.2, methodology become 1.3. Your guide is very notorious. Okay. And he do this kind of stuff very frequently. Change this portion to this one, change that portion to this one. This doesn't belong to this section. Okay. So he asks you to change lot of things in your report. So if you swap in one window, MS Word, okay, so you take 3 days to swap as a 10 pages, but it takes 2 seconds to swap anything here. Are you getting me what I'm saying? So swapping is very easy. I don't have to worry about all this number sequence. It's pretty straightforward. Okay. So are you creating this thing? Section and all those things?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I think I have.
Yes.
Okay. So I can have chapters, then I can have section, then you can have subsections. You may also have subsections. No problem. What are the way you are going to orient your report? Of course, you can go and orient. Okay. Are you able to create section, subsection, chapters comfortably?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Oops. Okay. Okay, so we may have some kind of figures, tables. So, but right up now today, I will not going to include the tables and figures. That we'll do afterwards. Okay, slight tricky to add those things, but all this thing has been possible. Even to add the captions to that table, to that figure is also possible. Okay. Okay. Now, whatever you have created, say for example, we missed the one thing. What is that? We miss one important thing between your abstract and the chapter.
Index.
Index. Okay. So we missed the index. So for in creating index, I have one simple command. Table of content. Okay. Where should I have a table of content? Before abstract or after abstract? You tell me. Okay. I'm going to create
Before abstract. No?
before abstract. Okay. So I will put before abstract. So one command, table of content. Okay, I think you can have okay, if you type TA, you'll get it. Table of contents. Okay. What it will do? How much time I require to create table of content? The time I taken to type table of content. है ना?
Yes.
How much time you take to create your content? In a window? MS Word?
It will take a lot of time.
It will take, I hope, 1 day minimum.
Yes, yes.
And still it has errors. Clear, na? Very similarly, I can have one more command or two more commands, which is also a part of your what you call as essential requirements, list of figures and list of tables. Okay. So right now we don't have any figure or tables in our report. So it will be a blank. Okay. So if you want me to add it, when they will come, okay, they eventually will be get added here. List of table, list of figure. So what you are expecting in the list of figure, say for example, the list of figure, you have that figure number, figure title, and its page number. Okay, and its page number will be appearing there. You don't have to search for their page number and the title and likewise.
Sir, can you just explain me how this page gets created? Because I have typed the way you did, but I'm not able to see that in that form particularly.
What is your document class?
Report.
Check once again. If it is article, then it is not going to create.
It's article. Yeah.
So because if I say it is article, then it is going to create a problem because article we don't have chapters. So if I change to article, what will happen? See, it will show me why in article why you want to go for the chapter. Hai na?
So shall I make it to report?
You can make it to report. Say article, what I have done, you can use the percentage sign to switch off the line. Comment the line. Okay, I have commented here. So let me see. Still line number 41. Achha, line number 41, I have a chapter 2. It is similar to if you are comfortable with the coding. Okay. So detecting error is very easy. Done. Okay, but still it is giving me some logical error. So no problem. I don't know. See, you can see that in case of article, it is taking everything on the same page. You can see that. And it is get 1, 2, 3. The sections get 1, 2, 3. And likewise 3.2 and something like that. So because article don't expect to be have on a separate pages. It is continuously a compressed document. Okay. So before doing anything, please check what thing we are doing. Article or report. Okay. So this is both are required as far as your PhDs are concerned. Okay. So I will switch back to the report. Yeah. So once I done the report, and I'll always try to create a report. And afterwards, if I have just from the same file, I will go and do the article. So I think more or less your chapter things and all these things are ready. Table of content. Okay, this is what the table of content look like. Cross-referencing. Okay, what is cross-referencing and what is citation? There is small difference. What is a cross-referencing? We may have a cross-referencing within you can say that our report itself. Okay, whereas citation is nothing but referring to the others' work, paper, and all those things. Say for example, I want to say that we have something derived or we have said something during our introduction section, and I want to say that as mentioned in introduction. Hai na? So what I will do? Are you getting what I want to say that? I want to say that as mentioned in section say 1.1. Because we will not write as mentioned in the introduction section of chapter 1. This is not you are going to write. Okay. So essentially what you are going to write there, as mentioned in section 1.1, something like that. So for that case, what we are going to do that we are going to cross referencing, or we can say that as mentioned in figure. Okay. Or as mentioned in table, or as mentioned in that particular derivation. So cross referencing within a document. Or you can also say that as mentioned in chapter number 2, but that is not sufficient. You need to mention as mentioned in chapter number 2, section 2.2. And if your guide says change the section, then in the last moment, what will happen? That 2.2 becomes 2.4 and your sentences is still 2.2. Okay, so that problem happens. So what we'll do? We'll try to address this issue by doing the two commands. The two commands are, first command is label and another command is refer. What is label and what is refer? Okay, say for example, I want to say that I want to refer this section, so I need to name it. I am going to give the name by using label. Okay, label. So label, you can say that intro. Okay, or you can say chapter 1 intro. You have given the name to that particular section. Okay, it is recommended to give the names to all the chapter and sections. And now once I have given the label like this, I can go and refer it to anywhere. So /refer, or I will say as mentioned in. Okay, it is giving you the option. If you have a number of options like this, we can say that. Okay. So how it look like? You can just check it out. Okay. So I have given the name to the introduction. So nothing is, because the label command is not going to visible here. I have given the label, so that is known to me only. But when I'm going to use that section, so you can see that as mentioned in 1.1, we can say that. Are you getting what we are doing? We are cross-citing the section 1.1 in the next section. Okay. Similarly, I can cross-cite the same way other chapter as well. Say chapter 2. Okay, even if I go to this thing as mentioned in 1.1. If my guide says change the section, change there something, change that this thing. So even if I change it, so it will take logically that number. Okay. Even I am not writing here properly. So as mentioned in section. Okay, so this is much clear now. Even if it is have a subsection, you can have as mentioned in section 1.1. We can say that falana, falana, falana. Okay. So this way I can very similarly do it for the figures. So for any figure, I can label that figure and use that label as a reference. Is the thing clear? Any doubt? How to use label and refer? You can try in your text, because this is frequently happen when you try to write the article. The things, theory and all those things we are going to mention in some one section, and during numerical, during our numerical result sections or result section, we try to say that we have conducted experiment which is already been described in the above section. So the above section doesn't sound good. Okay, it shows your mentality is not correct, or you are still in the that particularly childhood mentality. Rather, you just say as mentioned in section 1.1 or 1.2, where you want to point out clearly. Many reviewers have give the, if you write like this as mentioned in the above figure, they straight by reject your paper. The above figure means which figure? Number of figures are there in above. Okay. So which you want to direct. So that must be clear and precise. So are you trying for label and refer? Anyone got it? Tell me.
Yes, sir, got it.
Yeah, it's easy. Once you start using this one, it's very easy. Okay, so you want to label someone, so just give the label. You can give label and the parameter can be anything of your choice. Okay, what I followed during my PhD, give the same name so that it will be remembered to me. Okay, along with chapter name, something like that. So it will be easy to choose. Right now I have one, but if I have a 30-40, so chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2 introduction, chapter 3 introduction. Okay, which introduction you want to correct? Okay. Or better, only give to the label to those sections, subsections, which you are referring in your text. Okay, that is easy. There is a one more, what you called as direct command, called as page ref. Okay. So more precise, as mentioned in section. Okay, you can see that as mentioned. Where is this thing? Chapter 2. Okay, as mentioned in section on page number. Okay, page ref. See, I am not giving you the page number, but I am precisely giving you the page number as well. Okay. So it may happen that you're talking into the literature review, which will be available in say page number 6, 7, and you have a thorough literature review of say 20-30 pages, and at the end of say 30 page, you are trying to refer to the page number 6. So it's very convenient to directly refer to the page number. Okay, along with the section number. So I don't have to remember, or I don't have to search for the page number. The software will do its job. Okay, so the statement is very clear and precise, as mentioned in section 1.1 on page number 1. Can you see that? How precise is the statement? If you made a statement like this, no one in the world will reject your paper. Okay. This is what we call as technical writing. It should be to the point and precise. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
try to use, but in the Word, if you do this thing, so Word has a typical problem. Okay, if you change the page number, so the problem will start. The reviewers keep searching on the page number 1. Okay, because your things are shifted to page number 2, and then it will eventually reject your paper. Okay, so what next? I have cross-referencing. So right now, from my side, table and figure cross-referencing is pending. Right now, we are only cross-citing the what you call as text only. Text to text cross-cite. Okay. Figure and all these things that we'll do that afterwards. So here is something. Okay. The proofs and okay, the figures and likewise, as mentioned in figure on page number 2, as mentioned in table page number 4. So it's very convenient and very precise. Okay, so here's some examples. Okay, organizing large document. Now you can see that what is happening here. Okay, before that, let me give one assignment. Can you write down?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in a next, do you have any article from literature review with you right now? Or you can download any you can say article from the internet which is related to your PhD work which you are referring. Okay. So I want you to convert that article into the report. So how you can do that? You can do the copy paste because typing requires a lot of times. So that's why I'm saying you can do copy paste from that article. So I want, okay, I want minimum 4 chapters. How many chapters? I want minimum 4 chapters. Each chapter should have minimum 3 to 4 sections. Okay, 4 chapter. Each chapter should have minimum 3 to 4 sections, and there should be minimum 3 subsections. You can give it to anyone. There are minimum 3 subsections and at least one subsection. 4 chapter. In each chapter, you should have a 3 sections. Out of these 3 sections, one section should have subsection. And in the report whole, any one section should have sections. Can you give it me in 10 minutes? Is that possible? Say yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I am telling you copy paste from the or if you have some report with you, your BTech report. I don't know how old you are right now, but I hope you have some report with you or some PDF document with you. Simply copy paste. We are not interested in content. What we are interested in the formatting. Okay, it's formatting. So create ASAP. We have a break of 10 minutes for me, not for you. Okay, you are going to continue with that particular. So by 4:10, okay, 1 or 2 guys can show me that 4 chapters. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay, then this one. Okay, we are almost about to end our this thing. So I have only one thing is been remaining with me, and then maybe on the next Saturday we can have the graphs, figure, equation, likewise all the things. So take your time. What is the batch size total? What is the batch size total? Narayan sir? Narayan sir, are you there? नारायण सर तुम्ही आहेत का?
Sir?
Yeah.
Yesterday they told 40.
40. Okay. So right now few guys are missing because in meeting I can see only 35. Out of these 2 are us, so 7 are missing still. Please make sure that you will get the things by yourself. Okay. What I am taking is not, you can say that more important as far as exams are concerned, but it is really going to help you for your work. Now you can check this text maker, you can check now. Those who have not downloaded, someone can check. Here I am not able to see its property.
Sir?
Yeah.
There is no issue with the text maker. There is an issue with the mix, the other one.
It text. Okay,
Yeah,
this
mix.
one. Oh, sure. I will upload this one.
So is it a different file for Mac and different file for Windows that way?
Yeah, it's a different file.
Yeah, so on Mac it is 56 MB showing, sir.
Mac,
which is
the
giving me
link which I have shown to you, na. So for Mac, it is something. There is also option available for Mac. You can see that a Windows, Mac, Linux. Okay.
Yes, so Mac is just 56 MB.
That I don't, because right now I'm having a simple HP laptop, so I have downloaded from Windows 10. So Mac.
Yeah, this 53.71 MB. This one
53,
we
53
have
MB.
downloaded. I have. Yeah.
So you can install that. For Windows, it is 234 MB. And the other one, even you can have a tutorials here available that you can check it out.
Okay, sir.
How to install? It's easy, na? Click, click, click. Nothing is there. Apple, you can try. I will check if it's work on my iPad. Okay, you are getting the things. Anybody working on the chapters?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm there.
Sir, can you show me how swapping is done once more?
Which swapping?
Swapping means content swapping.
Cut paste. You want to swap this. Say for example, if you want to select this thing, okay, and you can keep it where you want to put it, na? In the Windows, the MS Word, it is very difficult.
Okay.
Because here you have given the commands, so the number and all those things that automatically get generated. So here you don't have to worry about the section number and likewise. है ना? Where in case of Word, if you change that section from say page number or chapter number 2 to chapter number 3, so you have to change the section number, say 2.2 to 2. Or 3.2, something like that, right? But here the software takes care of all the things automatically, and you don't have to worry about the section thing. You can see that here, methodology, main objectives. Okay, done, I think. So go and check the things. So you can realize that this report becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay. So the easy way to handle it is to split the reports into number of files. Just like what we have in a C, those functions and likewise, right? So we have a different function files. So here I can do one thing. I can create a new file and say chapter 1. So chapter 1, I can completely shift chapter 1. So I can have a tab here. So shifted. I can give the name whatever was chapter 1. Okay. Dot text. I can create one more file because I have a second chapter. So chapter 2. You can give the name whatever way you want. There is no problem. Okay. So what I have done, I have removed the things from my main file. Okay. Now you can see that. Even I can remove the abstract. Okay. And keep it as a separate file. So here I can have the command called as input file. Okay, you can see that input files. So what I can do, I can break my project into number of small files. So it's easy for me to break into chapters so that I can remember and I can call those files. So let's input the file. Which file I want to input? First / input chapter 1. Okay. If you want, you can have text as well, but essentially not required. So process it. Now you can see that only chapter 1 is there. Along with this abstract and all those things. Then desktop figure, list of table, abstract, chapter 1. Chapter 2 is not there. Why chapter 2 is not there? Because I have not included that chapter here. Hey, na? I can have input chapter 2. Okay. Now I can have chapter 2 along with chapter 1. Okay. So this will give me the what you call as a flexibility to operate on various files. Is that okay? Please remember that whatever files, supporting files like chapter 1, chapter 2 you are creating, they should be at the same location where you have your main file. Like first, all text files. Okay, first. So this file I can rename as the main file or report, and I can have a various chapters. Okay, or if you have a 2 large sections, 2 large chapter, even you can split the chapters in between. Okay, no problem. Whatever the way you want, you can break it. There is a slight difference between the input and include. Okay, input, you need to use input mainly for articles. Why? Because they are continuous. They are not starting from the new page. Here if I change the include, they always start from the new page. Okay, which is not allowed in an article. Okay, article usually we try to have a sections, introduction, then theoretical things, then numerical thing, then experimental things, then result discussion. So these small parts you can break it up and you can keep in a different files. But if you use the include command, they will start from the new page. And I will recommend use the input. Okay, so that you when you use input, so automatically if you change to article, so they will get stick to together and they will not start from the new page. That's it, simple. Okay, so short introduction, long introduction, likewise. Okay, any other questions?
Sir, can we bold some letters?
Yes, that will do next time. Or that you can take it as a assignment and you can try. I will give simple trick, very simple trick. Say for example, what do you want to do? Bold. Correct, na? Say for example, what you are saying, I want to bold the text. So the command should be TE, okay, XT text. You can check it out. Text BF, text IT, text SC, SF, SL, TT. So let me try this. What do you think? What will happen? Text BF. What happened? Good. ठीक है ना? Okay. What else? Tell me. What else you want? I am just demonstrating the thing. The thing you want. Yeah, it is already available as it is as a command. Yeah, ma'am. Tell me.
Can you show this input chapter on my is not coming once again? Where we have to save?
What I have done, say for example, I have from the main file. This is my main file. Okay. From main file, I have taken the chapter 1 and I have created one new file. And I have copy paste the whole chapter 1 into that new file and given the name chapter 1. Okay.
Okay.
And this chapter 1 I am calling here as a input chapter 1 dot text. If you want, you can have dot text, or otherwise there is no need for extension.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So all the commands you say, all commands are as it is here. Tell me some commands so I can demonstrate here. Or if you want to have, you can say go latex. You can check it out. Latex, you know, begin document, end document, total, author, content, sectioning. You can say sectioning. We have not done this many parts. I have explained only few of to you. Sectioning, you can try the part, chapter, section, subsection, subsection, paragraph, subparagraph. Okay. All these things you can try. Environment. Environment right now I have not done any kind of formatting. What is a left side, right side, Okay, so you can see that begin center, flush left, right, or quote or quotation, table. Okay, title page, mini page. Okay, so this is, I am not going to cover anything in the class. This is up to you when you need it. Or say, for example, you are in a desperate need to say type something. Say, for example, how to write double integration in latex. Okay, you can see that. Lot of things are available. You can directly go to the text editor, literally copy paste the command. See here, latex code output. This is the latex code. This is the output. Integral A to B, likewise. Single integral. Here is the double integral. You can see that. Double integral V, triple integral V, 4 integral V, or infinite integral V. If you want this kind of, say, cyclic integral, that's more difficult. How to write sum pi, or like this sum pi. What I want to communicate to you right now, anything you want, ask to Google. If you are not able to get it from the LaTeX software, simply directly you can have directly from the Google. You will get ready-made code. Copy paste it to your in your this thing. It will work. Okay. So should we stop today?
Okay, sir.
Assignment.
Yes, sir.
Assignment is okay. Assignment. I don't know how many people have done it. Next time I am requiring that assignment from you guys. 4 chapters, section, all those things.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Sir, can we get the recording session of the session?
Recording session. Okay, I will upload.
Okay,
I
sir.
will
Please upload,
upload.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will upload again here files. So okay, I will upload in the this video lecture folder. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Sure. Okay. So see you next time.
Okay, sir.
I think next
Okay, sir.
Saturday again morning.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
But
Okay,
please
sir.
install the
Thank you,
latex.
sir.
Otherwise, it will have a problem to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
Meanwhile,
sir.
you can come back to me.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Attendance. Have you taken attendance? 1 minute just.
Thank
Suchar
you,
sir.
sir.
Narayan sir. Narayan sir. Okay. ठीक है चलो anyway I am not able to take attendance. Narayan sir has taken the attendance probably. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.